What's up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. Let's talk some Bitcoin. Let's talk some crypto. I'm Mark. Welcome into the Crypto Mark. It was a very wild ride yesterday. Okay, for all you guys out there, enjoying some of those Bitcoin days above 70K. Yesterday came as a shock to most as Bitcoin fell down into the 66s. Okay, we've bounced off of that though, and I will pull up the chart here very, very shortly and show you guys what's going on. Talk about this sudden decline that we're seeing within BTC and, quite frankly, the rest of the crypto market. And I'll give you guys my thoughts. So this will be more of a broader stroke kind of all-encompassing video. We're going to cover a lot of basis, and I'll get you guys on your way. But by all accounts, the market has rebounded very nicely, and this is not financial advice, though. But please, smash that like button and subscribe down below, and let's get down into it, okay? We're going to look into the crypto bubbles briefly. You can see right here on the chart, this is the top 100. I will sort it by list. And you can see all of our favorites. Bitcoin's rebounding nicely, up 1.5%. Some of the big movers on the day, Oasis, Pepe, of course, Caspa, Bonk. A lot of big runners. Ondo, we talk about, up almost 5%. HBAR, Brett's having a great day. So a lot of my favorite cryptos we talk about, all in the big mover side of the equation. One of the cryptos, though, that I want to share with you guys, I know this is supposed to be a Bitcoin-centric video, but this is going to be more so about the rest of the market as well. Aptos, that's my big mover right now, 27th. Very bullish on Aptos. It's kind of one of my picks that I'm going to make right before they get into the top 25. Look at the year, up 25%. They came down from an $18 run. This is where back in October, fall, when I really started looking at Aptos, I was eyeing it around the $5, $6 mark, and kind of kicking myself for not getting into them as I saw $18 there in March. Just kind of where I'm at with an Aptos APT, but I wanted to share you guys a little bit of a little tidbit of what I've been looking into in my own time. But like I said, these are my own investment and financial decisions. Please do your own research. These are just my opinions, never to be confused with financial advice, okay? But let's get into the chart within BTC. Like I said, I showed you guys, we bounced off very nicely at 66. Let's talk about what's going to happen, okay? And also, if you do want to get trading with Margex, this is the platform that I use, leverage trading, where you can enjoy up to 100x leverage and receive a sign-up bonus just for signing up and creating an account. A lot of traders have been making a lot of moves within copy trading feature here, enjoying a lot of gains, trading BTC, Ethereum. You can see right here, minimal effort as you can copy each and every move these traders make on this leaderboard. This number one user has now 166 followers. Since I've been sponsored by Margex, I think he started off with about 140, and now that number is growing to 166, over 2,200% ROE. So very exciting stuff. Check it out for yourself. Link down below if you want to get signed up with trading with Margex. Get started today, okay? But I want to get back into kind of what's going on within Bitcoin, because for me, guys, it's something where it comes down to why are we into Bitcoin? Why do we care? Okay, we had a sudden kind of like fall from the market, right? And then all of a sudden, boom, everybody panicked, right? Crypto's dying. Everybody was looking to sell. I'm invested in a few meme coins, and you could see kind of the reactions in some of the Telegram groups. People were just like running and selling and emotional. It's not how it's supposed to be, okay? Just straight up 100% truth on that one. I can guarantee you one thing. 2024 has not even yet begun, and even at 66,000, even at 60,000, okay? Like I said, I pulled up the chart here on Margex, and you can see exactly what I'm talking about. If Bitcoin would fall to 60K, okay, we have a very strong resistance right now at around that 72 mark, but we have, since rebounding, we're actually kind of running right now. Bitcoin's wicking up in the green, about to hit 69,000 as we're currently recording, so that's good. But I moved this blue line so you guys can see it. This is around 60,000, okay? We went briefly below that, but then bounced right back up. This is where we did it right here. So it's actually more so around 65, 60.5K. But for Bitcoin, that's what I mean. We have a lot of run. So from 66, 69 to 60, it's something where in this scenario, it's nothing alarming when we're in this when we're in this range right here, okay? That's just how I view it. this range as I drew right here. Okay, I actually moved some Bitcoin around yesterday, and I thought about it. I said, should I convert it? Should I sell it? I was like, no, I'm not going to sell Bitcoin when it's at 69, 66. Bitcoin's going to bounce back up, and look, even as we're recording, guys, you can see what's happening. This is a very strong move. Let me get I hate using these little indicators. Okay, this is what we're looking at. Very strong move into the green. That is a nice green candle as we wake up. And live, currently recording, Bitcoin is about to hit 70,000. It's probably going to do it today, right? Market manipulation, whatever you want to call it, it's crypto trading, right? Buying on the red days, selling on the green days. And this is exactly what good traders were doing right here, okay? This was an opportunity for Bitcoin right here at 66, 67, and then boom. Now we were starting our leg up, and you can probably even see the crypto bubbles. It's just weird. It's like this. It's a miracle, right? Out of nowhere, they got an even greener. Brett just went up another 7%. Big buys on that. Very, very crazy how everything can change just like this. It's actually kind of a sweet video because probably from the 2-minute, 3-minute mark to the 6-minute mark, Bitcoin went on a big run, and then all of a sudden everything is just exploding. So you can see these things all kind of update, and look at these gains. That was from the last time I showed you guys this, from the top movers to right now. So Brett's up 10%, booming. That's one of my altcoin picks that I'm most heavily invested in. Ondo and Caspa, have a day. Have a day. All right, so a lot of good cryptos out there moving. But I wanted to share with you guys kind of what was going on. I know it's kind of an off-the-cuff video, but like I said, Bitcoin dropped about 5%. That is a buying opportunity for most. And so it's important not to be emotional out there. It's important to watch these videos because, like I said, I even thought about it, right? I kind of needed to move some money around and do some liquidations of some stable coin. And I thought about kind of shuffling some Bitcoin. And then I said, that would be absolutely stupid if I transacted with that. I actually did just so I can kind of have it as a loss in case I hold those over a year. That's just kind of how I do it because Bitcoin sometimes ends up being a long play. I don't necessarily like to swing trade it, but when you get these 5% blips just straight down, you can absolutely make a move on this. So we have a lot of support levels on the way down. So the purpose of this video was just kind of rambling and telling you guys that, hey, just you have to kind of take the words of Aaron Rodgers and relax sometimes. 5% is not enough to move the needle. It's not enough to get me out of my positions, and trust the process. Bitcoin just had their halving. It takes usually historically around 12 to 16 months. And for me, as a crypto trader, you have to be able to understand where the support levels are. Bitcoin, you're not going to have these 20% days and then just boom, unless some threat of World War II's or World War III is coming, or some geopolitical conflict, or some crazy stuff coming out of the Federal Reserve, or even in Europe or the Asian markets. Those are really the only things that are going to move the needle further than what the TA allows it and how the charts are shaping out. So just wanted to tell you guys that's kind of my breakdown of what Bitcoin's doing. We're about to brush 70K, so very strong move into the green on this day. I love covering crypto on green days. Unfortunately, we have to do it on red days as well. So thanks for watching my little rundown we did. Let me know what plays you guys will be on. This is a more general crypto video as well. Also, be sure to check out Margex. Links down below. Get started trading with Margex today. And I thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace.